In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight an area in Photoshop. So let's say we have this woman here. We want to make her highlighted and brighter than the rest of the selection. So go to this tool here. You can either go to the object selection tool or the quick selection tool. I'm going to go quick selection. Boom. Make sure it's on the plus. Change this so it's a good size to highlight with. And I'm going to highlight all of her. You can go across her like this. Go to her hair. And you can be a lot more careful with this. I'm going to be a bit clumsy. Now here's a note. If you mess up like here, you can see I've done too much. You can go up here into the minus, and you can just minus it away. You can even zoom in more, make the brush smaller to make it more detailed. But let's say we got this and we want to highlight this. Go down here to this here. Then go up to exposure. Now from here you can fiddle around with the exposure. So if you want to make it a lot brighter, you can do that. Just fiddle around with these settings to make it, you know, what looks good, what looks natural. You can fix the shadows with this. If it's like really shadowy, you can bring it up like this to make it brighter. But there's a ton of settings you can do with this. But yeah, that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.